A person has three comrades. He felt that his death is somewhere nearer to him. He said to one of his friend, "I am in a position to die. What will you do to help me in this situation?" He asked, "I have been helping you throughout your life. But now, I cannot help you or anybody." The man who heard it was tormented. He asked his second friend to help him. The second comrade said that, "When you die, I will take care of your funeral ceremony. I can do this much for you." He asked his third friend to help him. Then the third comrade said, "Friend, do not be sad, I'll come with you once your soul separated from your body." The third comrade said, "I will be with you in the grave and in the hereafter day of resurrection." Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who say this story to his Sahabahs, asked, "Who are the three comrades? Can you know that?" Sahabahs kept quiet. Then the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "First comrade are his wealth, second comrade are his family, third comrade are his deeds who doing good work in life,